Hey, James with Detailed Image. The first steps in applying our carnauba wax are all about the preparation. Ensuring the vehicle is properly washed and decontaminated is going to help achieve maximum durability. Apply a small amount of wax onto an applicator pad. One trick I like to do is apply the wax on one side of the applicator, giving far better control when you're applying. Less is more. Apply the wax in thin layers, using light pressure and straight line motions. During this process, be mindful of the clear bra edges, the body seams, and the black plastic trim. Allow the wax to cure for approximately 10 minutes, wiping off with a clean, plush microfiber towel. For more depth and gloss, you can add additional layers 1 hour apart.